Hi, today we have Vitaly in our studio and we're gonna do low back sequence for people who have issues with low back, especially when you just get up from your bed. So we're gonna start lying down on your back. Vital, just drop down to your back. Yeah, so he just woke up. So let's bend the knees. One knee, second knee, and we're gonna send knees from side to side. Good. And try not to lift your bum up, just the knees. How does it feel? Oh, nice. Nice. So then we're gonna go a bit further. We're gonna lift one knee up and hold it with the hand. And be careful, especially if you have knee injury. And then we're gonna lift the other one and hold it. So then we're gonna grab both of the knees together and lift your forehead towards your knees. Good. And release down. Keep the knees up. Good. Now send them gently from side to side, both knees. Yep. And again, don't lift your bum up. Just gently in your hips. Come back to center. Yeah. Forehead to your knees again, so you're round in your back. Nice. And a few more times. Up and down, very slowly, like exhaling, forehead to your knees. Inhaling, you're going down. And exhaling one more time. Good. We're gonna drop tops, we're gonna drop feet down. Then we're gonna hold your hips. And you're lifting head and shoulders up. Right here. Lift up a bit more. Oh, we can see. Yeah, you can put your elbows down. Yeah, you can put your elbows down. Yeah, I'll show you a bit. So you're gonna have your elbows down. You're gonna hold your hips. And you're gonna drop your chest down and push it back. So you're lifting right here. You're gonna drop only this part and push it. Yeah, nice.
Oh, like this.
You feel it. So you're gonna feel it right here and try to open your shoulder blades.
I see. Okay.
Yeah. So you're opening your back now. Good. A few more times. Nice. Yeah, press your elbows down. Yeah, use them. Nice.
Yeah?
Yeah. Good. Now you're gonna lift one knee up, grab it, straighten the other leg down. And now you're gonna change the hand. You're grabbing this hand, releasing this one, and you're sending this knee towards the opposite shoulder. Keep your head down. Yeah, but don't twist. Don't twist yet. Just here. Also, what you're gonna do, we're gonna show it from the other side, because from this side, they're not gonna see. Let's do it from the other side. So, what I want you to do also, with this, with your thumb, you're gonna put it into your hip crest. And lower your hip down.
Push it down?
Yeah, but this one send over there. And try to relax your head. Yeah. Make sure it's not painful. But it feels kind of nice.
Yeah.
Very
nice.
Good. Obviously, you're gonna do second side. Yeah. So do the second side. Yeah, because you don't want to be one-sided, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So thumb and drive it down the hip. Oh, you got it. Oh, So this way you release your sciatic nerve. It's the biggest nerve that runs through your legs. Good. Uh-huh. Oh.
Very nice.
Uh-huh. Now you're gonna bring both of the knees up and turn over to come to all four.
Okay.
So we're standing in the tabletop position. So what you're gonna do now, you're gonna imagine that you have a long, fluffy tail. So you're sending your tail under, and then you're sending it to lengthen. So under, and then send it back. Don't lift it. Don't arch your back. Keep it nice and straight. The idea is to lengthen.
Oh.
Oh, you got it. So only under and back. Not like this, not up.
Not like.
Under and back. Oh, nice.
Okay.
Oh, now you're gonna bring your knees together, tops of the feet down, bum to your heels. Keep your hands forward. Fingertip mounts, so piano fingers, nice. Yeah, exactly. And you're gonna walk to the side. You're walking to the side, but keep your bum on your heels. Nice, straight arms, and you're stretching the outer side. Feel it? Oh, good. Yeah, we're doing it to the other side. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Over here I feel it.
You feel it.
Yeah.
You feel the nice stretch. Good. Let's come back. We're coming back. Now you're gonna lift, but keep your bum still on your heels. Now hands into the hip creases. Or pressing here. And with the spine, you're gonna do kind of snake movement. You're reaching up. Yeah, exactly. So this.
Stretch.
So, but you're stretching in this kind of motion, lengthening your lumbar spine. Nice. Oh. Now we're going down to your belly. We're coming down to your belly. Now, very interesting. You're turning your wrists forward. Yeah. And now with these ribs, with the lowest ribs, you're gonna kind of step forward like this. Tops of the feet down. I'll show you how it looks like. So then you're gonna try. So you're gonna walk forward. So this way, you're lengthening your low back spine. Feel it? Oh. Oh. Feel the stretch? Now, while it's stretched, keep your lowest ribs on the ground. Now curl your toes under. And walk your feet back. So now you're lengthening from your legs. Good. Now fingertip mounts forward, forehead down. And you're gonna walk your hands now forward. Walk, walk, walk. And walk your feet back. Oh, now you're fully stretched. Awesome. So now you're turning to your back. However it's comfortable for you. So you're nicely stretched. Even this is enough, but we're gonna finish with kind of butterfly position. So you're slowly, one by one, lifting your knees up. Now, very important, you're opening your knees. And if it works for you, you're gonna grab your feet. Nice. So try to keep your shoulders down. And you're sending your feet in this direction over your head. Don't push too much. Don't push too much. Very, very gently. Ой, мамочки. Ta-da. And slowly you're coming out. Yeah.
Yeah, like this.
You feel awesome probably now. There is no low back pain at all.
Awesome.
But keep your knees wide open.
Open?
Wide open. Knees wide open.
This.
Yeah. Yeah.
Back.
Yeah.
I can go back.
Yeah. Very slowly, very gently. And it's a very nice low back stretch.
I can go back.
Yeah. Look at you. He's enjoying it. Yeah. Slowly. Make sure there is no pain. No pain? Awesome. So slowly put your feet down. Yeah. Now he's ready. We'll pretend it is morning time. Now he's ready to go back to work.
Yes.
See you soon. Comment us how you feel.
Thank you very much.
You're very welcome.
Very much.